Alright guys, I picked up a remote start for my 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. So I got a Start X brand. It's for 2018 plus with the key start. So it's got the module, some harnesses here. I think this is for programming it. And it's got instructions. And it uses your factory key fob to start it. So you hit lock 3 times and it'll start. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first step, there's a couple screws here under the dash. Take those out. Alright, and I got a trailer brake controller here, so I'll just unplug that. Alright, now I should be able to pull this bottom piece out. And this top piece, pull that out. And same for the other side, I'll have to get in there. Okay, so this is a view from the back side. So after you got those 2 screws out, that's what these connectors look like here. So you just pull it out and it'll pop out. And then this is the harness. So it looks like it is only one piece. And then this programming module has its own little harness in this bag. Okay, so this must be like an air temperature sensor here, so I just pulled out this connector so it's not hanging by this. And now this is behind your ignition switch, so this should come out. There's a little tab on the back side, so pull that out. And then this side of your harness will just plug into, it'll tee into there. And then this goes into here. Then you got this 2-wire connector, and that'll go right here. I'm gonna put this at the top. Just like that. All right, up next, connect this module. So there's 3 connectors left. There's blue, white, and then there's the black. So you wanna hold down this button here while you connect the black. So hold down the button. And then once this starts flashing, release the button. Okay, so now you want to connect these last 2. So it looks like this one goes here in the middle. And then this blue one goes to the blue. Okay, at this point, the instructions say to close the driver's door and reopen driver's door. And then it says press unlock on the OEM remote multiple times. until the module flashes green once. Okay, I saw it flash green down there. Okay, then it says turn the key to the run position. Okay, and it's solid red down there. And then turn the key to off, remove key, insert key, turn to run. Wait for it to flash green. It's flashing green. Remove the key. And now we gotta disconnect the module, and we gotta disconnect the black connector last. So we'll take out the white. It's still flashing green. Take out the blue. And then black is last. So now this is completely unplugged. All right, so now we're done with the in-vehicle programming. So now we got to move to the next step, which is we got to go on the computer and do that programming with this. Okay, we got to download and install this WebLink desktop software. So there's the instructions there. So we'll go ahead and get that done. All right, we got our module plugged in. We got our WebLink opened up, and we'll select this top one here, WebLink RS. And start extended programming right there. And then continue extended programming. Okay, so now it's completed and we can continue with the in-vehicle programming. All right, we'll go ahead and reconnect the module. Okay, now it says turn the key to the on position, run position. And the LED should turn solid green for 2 seconds, which I'm pretty sure I missed looking at it. Turn the key to off. Turn the key to start. Turn the key to off and remove. And it should be programmed. Let's test it out. All right, let's go ahead and test. We'll hit lock 3 times. All right, it worked. Awesome. So to stop it, we'll hit lock 3 times again. Cool. So the instructions said that this would run for 15 minutes, I think. Yeah, it'll run for 15 minutes. And then there's also some sort of RF extender so you can extend the range. I'm gonna email this company and see what that's all about. And if it's not too expensive, I'll probably go ahead and order that. But yeah, this is pretty cool. It took me about an hour, but I was filming this. But you know, if I wasn't filming, it'd probably be about a half-hour job. And it's really pretty simple. Just follow these instructions to a T, and you won't have any problems. And even if you do, you can always just start over and reflash this, and it won't be an issue. But yeah, pretty nice kit. So I'll go ahead, and this does come with some zip ties. So I'll go ahead and get this up under the dash and get this squared away, and the job's done. All right, thanks for watching.